Three powerful life lessons every young Nigerian should learn from this Davido recent brag about being made for life and him sitting on $1 billion net worth. Only this year, Davido has spent millions of dollars purchasing high luxury items, including his 5 billion naira Eco Atlantic land, his Lamborghini Revuelto, his Maybach S680, and his Tesla Cybertruck. All these things he has been buying, there is some secret behind these things, and from this video we are going to review this thing. As a young Nigerian, you should learn all these things, whether you are from poor home or rich home. My name is Martin West. Let's watch this video.
I'm very grateful. I tell God I'm grateful to God. I'm grateful to my friends. I'm grateful for everybody that helped me even step. Even people where I don't even remember. So I'm grateful to myself for being hardworking.
Even family support, the love.
That's cool, but I'm telling you, man, there's the individual strength and mental ability that goes into this type of work. Do you understand? Especially with a lot of odds against me. So it's like, fuck, I gotta do it. Like, there's another David that's like, nigga, you better get the fuck up. Don't play shit. And it's not for the money. I got billions of dollars waiting for me. If I don't work a day in my life today, if I don't work a day in my life, I have billions of dollars.
Wow. Why do you do this?
Because I love me. I love it. I love my job. I love my job. You can't even tell me about it. 100 people, 10 people, 19,000 people. Same shit for me.
Build value over talent. Your gift can open doors for you, but your smart move will keep them open. Davido didn't just rely on the music. He built a brand, a business empire, and a lasting wealth. The lesson: don't just stop at your raw talent. Invest and diversify, and create a stream income that can outlive your hustle. Being made isn't just a luck, it is a strategy. When Osofia came out in Hollywood, he didn't just come out as just actor. He first started from branding his image, which he first created a nickname, Osofia, and people started seeing him in that name, Osofia, and he created this particular way of doing movies that no other actor that this is what set him standard from other Hollywood actors. If you understand Osofia way of acting and why he have lasted so long in Hollywood industry, you will see that he prioritized on branding. The way he does his business, Osofia have invested in so many things. He have a hotel somewhere in Enugu, and the way he handle endorsement deals, the way he manage his wealth, all this one isn't just about his talent, it's about his own ability to control and manage things. And if you watch Davido closely, the same way Davido does things, he's one of the Nigerian artists that when he sign endorsement deal with any brand, he will go to advertise those things like it's his own business. You will watch what he did for Mattel. If you hear Mattel, you will hear Davido. If you hear One Beat, you will hear Davido. All these things are character. Isn't just about talent. Most of artists have done a lot of mistakes. The way their attitude, the way they relate with people. But Davido is not like that. The guy knows how to relate with people, and he knows how to communicate with the streets. Do something that is going to be bringing money, even if you retire tomorrow. If he decides not to do music today, there are so many investments that his father have already built that are going to be bringing him money. If he he should spend all his money buying luxury cars, doing everything that he wants on just a luxury. Davido will never going to be broke, because there is that stream income that is already bringing money for the family, and that is why he's bragging that he's already set for life and he's sitting in $1 billion net worth. Davido that is one of the richest men in Nigeria. He have a energy distribution company which is generating electricity for all the Nigeria, apart from Adeleke University. So someone like that bragging, you can't just be watching that person and be thinking that you and that person is the same. You need to invest, create something that will be bringing money for you tomorrow. My name is Martin West. Like, share this video.